Experiencing problems with call forwarding on ALDI Mobile? Since ALDI Mobile uses AT&T's network, call forwarding relies on GSM codes. Common issues include the forwarding not activating, calls not routing correctly, or conflicts with voicemail. Start by checking your signal strength and ensuring at least 2 bars. Also, make sure the number you're forwarding to is in the correct international format, like +1 for US numbers. If you're on Android, try resetting your network settings via the secret code 4636. iPhone users can do this in Settings, General, Reset Network Settings. Also, make sure the ALDI Visual Voicemail app is up to date, as recent patches have fixed call routing bugs, especially on Android 15 and iOS 19. If problems persist, contact ALDI Mobile support for SIM reprovisioning. ALDI Mobile uses standard GSM codes for call forwarding. Key codes include *21 followed by the number and hash to forward all calls, *61 followed by the number and hash to forward on no answer, and #21# to deactivate all forwarding. Dial these codes directly from your phone. Call forwarding integrates with ALDI's Visual Voicemail app. Unanswered forwarded calls go to voicemail, and the app transcribes the messages. Make sure you have a data connection for transcription to work. If you use third-party VoIP apps like Google Voice, they might conflict with GSM forwarding. Consider disabling forwarding in those apps and relying solely on ALDI's Visual Voicemail. Also, be aware that ALDI does not natively support conditional forwarding, such as time-based rules.